Guys, I just got this new dinosaur from Kenny's and look. Well, let's get to the unboxing video. So, time to get the straps off. Well, guys, we just got the things, so I'm gonna get them ready to do it. So, guys, I just got them ready. As you can see, they're like this. Now, time to just try and cut this, if we even can. Oh my gosh. Alright, finally. Got them. So, next strap. Alright, foot strap next. Alright. I can't do this, guys. Alright, finally. I did the leg. Guys, I cut it. Finally, I did it. Gosh. Alright, the scissors. I got them like this. Now, I'm gonna cut this part. And pop. Alright, I'm putting them down. Now, ta-da! Whatever this name is. Tell me what this name is. Atrophthamus? Am I saying that right? But we have the dinosaur, and I think it's really cool. So, goodbye. Love you guys.